Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another mind-boggling episode of Digital Extreme Makeover Photography Edition. Because today we're delving deep into the world of editing, and we're going to expose those photographers who simply can't control their creative urges. You know who you are. So get your photo editing software ready and prepare to be amazed or slightly horrified at what some people consider art. Photoshop, the playground of the adventurous souls who crave to turn reality into something entirely different. First, we're going to look at the sky replacement aficionados. Those brave warriors refuse to settle for Mother Nature's natural creations. No. They believe that the polluted, star-filled sky is the key to visual enlightenment. Behold the astonishing recreation of the Milky Way galaxy, replacing an otherwise perfectly serene blue sky. It's like camping, but in outer space. I mean, who needs reality when we can sort of teleport to different celestial dimensions? Surely their Instagram followers will be utterly convinced that they've discovered a new galaxy in their own backyard. And here is where we have the famous let's replace a dull, cloudy sky with a tropical paradise. I mean, who needs winter when you can just skip to margaritas on a palm tree-lined beach? Am I right? I mean, it's a full-on holiday, every single shot, isn't it? Just make sure, not to fool your followers into booking flights to paradise, where they'll find out it's just a Photoshop mirage in most of your pictures. And, oh dear viewers, brace yourself for this one. We have the masters of melodrama, who believe that the key to captivating emotions lies in replacing a tranquil sunset with the wrath of a storm apocalypse. Hey, who needs a peaceful stroll by the beach anyway, when you can be swept away by hurricane levels of drama in every single image? No, it's all too good to be true. But wait, there is one more. Here, finally, we have the true pioneers in the art of what the stars are supposed to look like again and again, because they embrace the challenge of cramming so many stars into every single sky scene that it starts to resemble a dusty old attic filled with confetti. Look, say goodbye to the universe as we know it. Welcome to the cosmos of chaos. So I apologize, folks. It seems the sheer creativity of these photographers, they tickle my funny bone a bit too much sometimes. Let's not forget the masterpiece that is lens flare overloaded in the eyes of these visionaries. The sun's just a star, and it's in the center of a special effects universe. They'll blind you with bursts of light until you question if you're even on the same planet as them. Simply dazzling, really, isn't it? Remember, when you're editing, it can be a powerful tool, and enhancing your photos sometimes less is more. Let's strive for artistic flair without crossing over into the realm of Photoshop madness, shall we? Just because you can do it doesn't mean you should. Until next time, take a step back, breathe, and consider letting reality shine through your lens. Stay creative, my friends. See you next time.